Hi there, and welcome to another video demonstrating Sienna's NDI processing engine. In this video we're going to take a look at the new Multiviewer modules, which allow you to build up complex multiviewer environments right within the NDI domain and output them as NDI signals themselves. So what we're going to do is start off with an NDI source here, which is going to be a signal generator. And rather than choose another one of those, we've actually got a signal generator built into the processing engine now. This is a new module that outputs different sizes and different frame rates and things like that. And it generates a signal right within the processing engine environment. Then what we can do is take our new multiviewer. Now the multiviewers have got frame synchronizers on every input, so if we wanted to, we could even have a different frame rate coming into the other signal generator. It wouldn't make any difference. And we can connect these up in the usual way. I think what I'm going to do is use these two sources to drive the multiviewer, just to save us digging out a load of different sources. And if we turn this on, we turn the signal generator on, we should be able to see what's coming out of the multiviewer using the handy web link function that's built into the processing engine. There we have it. We've got our first multiviewer. It's 2x2. One of the nice things you can do is chain them together. So if we take another multiviewer here, what we can do is create a 10-way multiviewer with 2 big and 8 smaller images. So I'm actually going to use this quad as the bottom 2 outputs, and we'll just take these other 2 sources directly as if they're program and preview on this 10-way multiviewer, and you'll see in a moment why I'm doing this. If I click on this, we're going to see we've got a kind of a fairly traditional multiviewer with a program and preview at the top and then 8 sources at the bottom. So we've got ourselves a little 10-way, which is quite nice. We've also got a 3x3 multiviewer, and one of the things you can do here is, for example, we could take these. This is a 3x3 normally, but we can chain our 2x2, and if I just put that in everyone here, we can all go a bit crazy, and we'll create ourselves a, I guess this will be a 36-way multiviewer eventually. So it's going to be a bit crazy. Let's have a look at that. Okay, let's see if that one's running. So this is a 2x2 feeding into a 3x3. Take a little while, there it goes. Okay, good. Oh, that's working. Very nice. Why don't we go completely crazy, and what I'm going to do is, I think I'll turn that one off. Why don't we feed our 10-way into here, and we'll make ourselves, I guess, what would be a 90-way multiviewer, I suppose, just to show you what's possible should you have applications that require very large numbers of sources on a multiviewer. It's technically possible to do all of that within the NDI processing engine. So hopefully that one's up and running now. We can have a quick look. Let's see what we've got there. Hopefully all the streams have started. There we go. So this is actually, it might look clearer if I put it on a bigger monitor. So if I bring a, tell what we'll do, we'll actually add a destination, an NDI destination, and this is how we're actually going to publish the multiviewer. So this is a 96-way multiviewer. Publish that as a new NDI destination on the network, and if we bring in a full-size monitor, so obviously you can view this multiviewer on any machine, on the Mac or a Windows or a Linux, or on a TriCaster or anything, or on a screen, and basically you've got a portable, distributed multiviewer that works all over the network. A little bit confusing to see what's going on there, but you get the idea. We've actually got 9 sections, each of which is carrying a 10-way multiviewer that we made earlier. So you can see that all of that works, and this is all running quite happily on the NDI processing engine. There's lots more you can do with it as well. Some of the other new features we've added is things like a failover switch. This will let you switch between 2 inputs if the primary input stops passing frames for a period of time. There's 1 or 2 other new things that are now available in the NDI processing engine. If you've got any questions, please visit the website sienna.tv, sienna.tv/NDI. Thanks for listening.